Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Week English. My dear friends, today I am going to say something through this video. Actually, everybody thinks that how can you speak well in English? Actually, what is your mindset? Actually, you think always how can become a fluent speaker. That's why I choose this topic for you. If you listen and get knowledge from me, actually that maybe help you to grow and you can start speaking English language. So I request to anybody else, you just listen from start to end. If you listen from start to end, after you can get some knowledge from this video, and if you apply that thing for your English journey, after you can speak fluently and you can become a fluent speaker. So let's start without any delay. My dear friends, your time is very valuable, and you think that how can you become a fluent speaker. Actually, that's why I choose this topic for you. If I can guide you about this matter, after you can get some knowledge and you can grow your life also. And what is your intention to build your career, after you maybe do that for learning this language. My dear friends, English is a very vital language for you, for anybody. Everybody thinks that how can they speak well. Everybody thinks how can they speak in this language. Actually, their intention to become a fluent speaker, if they can achieve that thing, actually whatever you want in your life, actually you can do that easily. That's why everybody thinks that how can they become a pro, like fluent speaker. You notice to anybody else, they are speaking well in English. Sometimes you think that in your mind, actually how can they speak well? And you think that how can you speak like them? That's why I choose this topic for you. If you listen from start to end, after you can utilize this knowledge for you to become a fluent speaker. My dear friends, don't worry. I am here. I will guide you about this matter, actually what you can do. I know everybody has some passion, but even so much effort you can do according to. So this is the problem for you. First of all, don't think anything else. What you have idea, you just don't think about that. You just apply that. Don't take any stress in the initial stage. I know you are beginner. If you want to take any stress for this matter, you can do. That's why I am telling you, don't take any stress for this matter. You just take action for you. If you don't take action for your passion, you may not be achieve in your intention. That's why I am telling. In the initial stage, don't take any action for you, for anything else. You just do this thing like you just start it. I mean to say that you just start it and you just try to continuously do that thing. Actually, what you think to become, you just continuously do that thing. If you don't continuously, if you don't any effort for that thing, so how can you really, actually what do you want in your life? That's why I'm telling. You have to do some action for you. You have to high level for that thing. If you want to get success in that regard, you have to take some action for that. Actually, you think that how can you become a fluent speaker? I know, though you are beginner, that is very difficult in the initial phase. So, I will be guide you in this video. Actually, what you can do for this thing, then you can speak well in English language. You can become a fluent speaker like a pro. My dear friends, first of all, you have to practice in the daily life. If you think that you can do little bit practice, you can become, that is very difficult for you. That's why you have to continuously practice in English language. Then you can aspire to speak well in English language. My dear friends, don't take any stress. Whatever you do in your daily life, you just practice in English language. So how can you do practice? When you get up early in the morning, whatever you do in that time, you may be include that by practice. Actually, practice is the such type of thing. If you don't include that in your daily life, absolutely whatever you think to do in your life, absolutely you can get success. That's why I am pressurized to do. I am pressurized for you. You must do this thing. You must include this thing. Actually, we are beginner. We know you can do some mistakes. So don't take any stress. Don't think over that. Actually, how much you can do mistake while speaking. You just practice. Whatever you choose any topic, that's depend on you. But I recommend you just practice, and you should do for the long time. Then you can expect that to speak. I know it is very difficult as a beginner. You should notice that do the speaking well. Actually, they have been efforting for that thing. That's why they speak well in English language. If you think that, they have some knowledge, that's why they speak well. Actually, they have been efforting. That's why they speak well. And you have to do more effort for that thing. Then you expect that to speak well. And friends, we are human beings. If you don't learn anything else in your mistakes, so how can you improve? How can you get some knowledge from that? That's why if you do some mistakes, so don't take any stress. Don't lose your heart for that thing. You should be continuously do that work because you want success. So how can you get success? When you do high level for that thing, then you can get something else from that. And friends, you just do continuously practice in your life. If you think that how can you do practice, you maybe do by go anywhere else. You maybe do that in the lonely time. If you don't satisfy with that, you maybe start that thing, from your home. Whatever you choose, you maybe do that. There is no pressure. There is no burden for you. You maybe start this thing at anywhere else. It's depend on you. Practice is actually there is a proverb in English, practice makes one perfect. So how can you become a perfect? When you are going to more practice, then you can become a perfect. Perfect means you can become perfect in English language. And when you become a perfect, you may speak in English language. And you have to continuously do the effort for the long time. Then you expect that to speak well in English language. My friend, this is the tips for you. I think you can understand, and I think you can apply this thing for your daily life. And after that, you may be expect that to speak in English language. My friends, this is the tips for you. I think you can understand, and you must apply this thing what I told here. So thank you, all the best. I will see you in the next video.